Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Christina. I am excited about this video. So it's gonna all be about hot cocoa this time around. The holiday drinks are out. My kids were super excited. So I decided to go ahead and start off the season with my hot cocoa bar. I'm excited to show you. So let's get started and let's dive right in. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you to all my subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to like and thumbs up this video. We are getting right into our hot cocoa bar. As usual, I show you everything that I have as much as possible because there's so many items that I will be using this time, and I still created the list. So let's get right into it and let's have a good time, y'all. I'm excited. My theme this year, guys, is going to be gingerbread and like a Candyland type theme. So I'm excited about that. I have not done that yet. I did have like gingerbread things last year, but this year just trying to really incorporate the look of the Candyland, and also with the gingerbread houses and stuff is going to give just such a nice Christmassy feel. So I'm excited about that. And I wanted my hot cocoa bar to kind of look like a lemonade stand. You know how you go, you get your lemonade, or like even when you're in like the little towns, the little marketplaces for Christmas, you have the little pop-up carts and the stand-ups. That's kind of the aim that I was going for this year. So I hope you guys enjoy making this with me. Let's get creative together. I decided to do some stirrers for the hot cocoa bar. So I decided to do gingerbread, then I did snowflakes, I did Christmas trees, and I did the candy cane sign. So just so they have a few options to stir your little drinks with. Big shout out to my husband because he is the one who cut all this wood and put it all together. He took my vision and just kind of put it all in perspective of how I wanted my hot cocoa bar to look. So thank you, honey. Okay guys, so now we're going to get into building. the structure of this. So you want to make sure that you use a lot of hot glue at this part, and I put it directly on. If you don't want to do that because you feel like, oh, I might want to use this for something else later, you could put a foam on the back just to protect it, but I put mine directly on because this is what I built it for. I built it only for my hot cocoa. You do use a lot of glue, so make sure you have it handy next to you, so that way you won't be trying to run, because the balls do need time to settle. So just make sure and keep that in mind, that you do need a lot of glue, and don't be afraid that they'll be shifting and moving. I mean, that's just what they're gonna do until they all bond together, and then they'll stay put. I purchased these new gingerbread mugs from Pottery Barn. I was so excited about the collection. Also, the brown houses that you'll see on top here also came from there. And I purchased also espresso shot glasses that came from at home. So they're all pretty cute.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you
wind up moving that popcorn to a different spot, which you'll see later in the video. I wind up putting their marshmallow toppers, so I thought it looked better there, and you'll see how I display it on the top. It looks so much better when I move that popcorn. I haven't baked any fresh cookies yet, so I'll just put their favorite in the cookie jar for now, which is the Oreo Thins. On the top drawer, I put goodies, extra goodies that I know that they're going to be looking for. It'll be right handy. You know how you run out of room on the top, so I put plenty of extra goodies at the bottom. I ordered these cookies also from Women's Sonoma. They allow you to personalize only up to 3. I'll put the link for that as well. It was fun to do this year, but I wish they allowed us to put it on all the cookies, but they still look cute. there you have it, guys. The hard work is all done. I hope you love how it came out. I think it looks amazing, and I hope you love yours if you did it with me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.